Hello, welcome back to my studio. A day in my studio. So yesterday I did this. I'm still holding my microphone. It's too hot to put it around me. Um, and I made the notes here. Okay, I made the notes to say what I did yesterday. And if I look down there, I'm looking at my note. If I look up there, I'm thinking. So yesterday, what I did, I was looking for new tissue paper for my packaging, around the silk scarf, and it's the packaging is the silk scarf, and then the tissue paper, and then the outside box. So because that's the packaging it's important because when the customer orders things and then they and then apart from the look of the packaging, also the touch is very important in that sense. And when most of the time, when you buy something very expensive, you don't know apart from the advertisement and then the the underground no the uncontrol sorry what's that word unconscious uh, brand wash for that brand, but also at the same time when you receive that, it never disappointed you of the packaging. Like if you buy a perfume or if you buy something expensive, and then when it's come the product come with in the package is never disappointed you, even for the famous product. So I think for small brand like our own little brand, but maybe not maybe for sure not many people know about this brand, but then how do we build up the good branding feeling? It's about the quality of the item first of all, the quality of the item, and then the packaging, the look of the packaging and the touch of the packaging. And at this time I'm not ordering in very expensive box, but I want to be able to get the best quality for everything in my budget, like for whatever I can do for now, the best quality. So I just keep thinking like so the packaging things, when you run the business, those things always keep coming back. So I started with searching for new packaging paper, and then as I finished editing a photo. So yesterday I was putting a list, uh, the photos on my Etsy list. So because I'm following one YouTuber, his channel is Etsy Consultant. It's like he's giving a lot of advice about he's been working for customers on Etsy for years, so he got lots of experience. So he gave this in one of his video, he gave this idea to don't upload your item all at once, load it frequently, and like he said that he gave me the idea about the doing it small but slow but steady. So I do now have like all my photos ready, but I'm still deciding to upload it maybe one or two or three maximum a day, new lists I'm talking about. So I was doing that. What's forget? Yeah, and I had a message from my customer of one of my silk scarf yesterday, and he said his wife was very happy. He bought it for their wedding anniversary. As you know, the peacock silk scarf is penned for wedding anniversaries and weddings, because peacock carrying an old blessing like for love. In Chinese culture, it's holding your hand and grow old together. That's a peacock blessing. So he bought that. He bought that for his wife. But then he did ask me to put the name on it, personalize it, but I forgot. But at the same time, he asked me to do it instead of give me 3 weeks to finish my the order. He said he's a bit in a rush side, and he want me to get ready on time. So I was all focused on like making it on time. I completely forgot to write the name down. I feel so bad about that. I feel guilty, and and then after I see the message, I said, "Oh, I'm so sorry." And he said the scarf is still very lovely, and it's just as beautiful. And so I just feel bad, and I said, if you post it back to me, I can write the name on you, on the scarf, and then he said that's okay. But you know, like this kind of thing, it will happen in a business. The more you sell, the more chance it will happen. You like forget. So that's why like have a very solid process. Steps is very important. And so I used to treat my, I wasn't not treating my orders well serious. I did treat it serious, but I didn't run through my process, because usually I will print out the order, and I will check if the customer asking for a gift, and I've personalized a messaging or anything. I'll check that first, but this time, because I'm on process of something else, and also it is a little bit urgent to finish this order, so I did like I didn't run my whole process. That's why I made that mistake. But anyway, and hopefully I will remember next time. But he's happy about it. He's happy about the quality, and then so that's good. So I think number one is make sure the item you sell is extraordinary quality, means very, is that the right word? I don't know. I just followed my feeling. Make sure the quality it's really stand out. The best piece you can make at every piece. So, and then what else I have, and this morning I had a 5-star review from my other sale, which I mentioned I'm selling my workshop kit from the Bento website, and this is the first time, because I only uploaded 2 lists on that website. I hate to use the word should, but I should upload my other list on it. I don't know what I'm waiting for. I'm not waiting for anything. I just don't have enough time, and I have to think. I have to pick what's the most important for the long term, and I have all the big pictures. But sometimes I am very, I'm not very strict with my time schedule. Uh, you know, like, because I feel there's gaps we need to enjoy in life as well. So sometimes I just let myself do whatever I want to do for that day. I do have plan for every day. I have that little app called Tick 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 Tick. So I have like about 120 things on that list. So I'm just taking my time, and I do feel good, satisfied if I finish my list. Sometime that day I ticked all the list, but at the same time I feel like all tied up, all like I don't feel freedom. I do feel satisfying like as a tool, because I finished the missions, but I don't feel satisfying as a human, because as a human I have a free will, and I should be able to do what I want for that day. So yesterday was a bad review. No, I didn't have the bad review, but I just have that guilt inside of me, because I forgot that order to write the name on the scarf. So what oh yeah, yesterday I found something really, really, really good. I almost feel it was God guide me to that website. So I'm going to switch it to my computer. I'll show you that website. And I did ask for coupons, but they haven't sent me yet. If they did, I will add it in the description. I didn't have any no, they didn't pay me to do this. I just want, because I was doing I was selling my art print, and anyway, I show it on my computer. I can't just say it. And again, because to save the editing time, I'm just gonna use my phone. Okay. Okay, now I'm on my computer, and so I'm gonna bring this down so you can see. Where is it? Here. Canvas. So to explain it, I'm going to show you what I had before. This is my print, and they're not on Etsy. I put them down now. I deactivated them. So to sell my print, I have made the how do you call that? Like you put them in for display. I made those pictures with Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. So for each picture, I put them in different room like this. So I edited them one by one. First of all, to make a picture like this, I will go find download the photos with the frame, with this frame, and then I will need to put that in a PS or in a software, and then one by one replace my picture into that, because you see that this one, but this is another one. You see what I mean? I need to editing them, just stick the new picture on the same room, same wall. See that one? So anyway, those photos are edited one by one to put it on my Etsy. So each list needs like 10 pictures. So I have one big picture and then a few different rules, and then to make it to introduce other pictures as well. So I put my other picture in the same room. It's not a room, but it's just like I just made the frame, and you know, I really don't know how to say that in English, but I think you know what I'm talking about. They say mark up. Okay, so and then I've been introduced to Placeit. Placeit is a website you can put your pictures, your design on a t-shirt, on mugs, and you know, to develop your products, your art product. But then I don't want those products. What I really want is just somewhere to put my pictures. So I found this website. I show you how it works, and I uploaded my artwork in there. So now I'm choosing a room. You see, in this room, they don't have any picture on the wall. So here on this bar, you see that here, see that 4 pictures. That's amazing. So I just gonna choose this room, and then I put my artwork here. I want to change a different one. I want a colorful one for that. So I'm just go to the list. Load more. Okay, I like this picture. I never sold any of that, but I sold the castle one, but I never sold this one. And then make it bigger. And it's amazing. You see this picture now. I want to change the wall color. It's like a game. It's so fun. That's why I have to introduce you to this. Come on, just focus, camera. So you can change the room. Sorry, the wall. I think it's the best website for like to make your markup, your artwork. So you can change the wall color. I like it white kind of, and then you can change if anything you can see in the room. You can change some of the colors. And then that's yes. I just show you what I saved yesterday. I made this one. I made this picture. So I'm really happy with this website. I think it's absolutely one of the best website I have found to make your pictures, to this for picture, for artwork print. I'm completely lost. Okay, I googled it. It's a interactive art exhibition, digital art on display. I think that's what it is. I think the website is for digital art display, and it's one of the best website I find. I will put the link down there, and if I get the voucher in the future, I'll put the voucher link code under this video as well. So thank you very much. Let's have a I hope I have a more excited day today, and tomorrow I got something more interesting to show you. Okay, anyway, have a good business day in your studio. Bye for now.